With Calina, and today we are going to learn how to cut an onion. A lot of videos out there, but I'm going to show you what I use to cut an onion in all 20 years. So right here is the bulb end, or I'm sorry, the root end. There's the bulb end that I'm going to cut. So you're just going to slice it right down the center. And you want to save that in case you're making stock, or if you're weird like me, you can make some tea. And then right down here, you are going to cut right through the root end and leave a little bit of that there because it acts as an anchor. And then you're going to peel off some of the onion layers, the stuff that you really don't want to eat. And again, I like to save that. I think it adds a lot of depth to stock making color. And as you can see, the onions have layers. I don't like to cut horizontally like a lot of chefs do, very famous chefs. I don't think it's necessary. So I just go right down, use your knuckles as a guide, and go slow at first. Don't try to be a wizard. Speed will come the more you do this. And I'm going to just move my hand and get that one little section. And you can see the layers. It's ready to be diced. So I'm just going to go straight down. I'm using the knife to slice down. I don't go straight down like that. Just slice, slice. And then when I get pretty close to the end, I put the onion down. And then I'll just keep on going. And then I'll flip it back up. And as you can see, we have some pretty good dice with no horizontal cuts. Pretty good, huh? Let's move on to the next way I like to slice onions. So right here, I am going to take off the root end. Again, I'm letting the knife do the work. Just slice straight down. Save that. And again, very simply, I'm just going to peel back the onion layers. Compost it, save it, trash it, whatever you want to do. And onions have layers, so take off a couple of those layers off, slice it right down the middle, and you'll have something that's very manageable. Again, use your knuckles as a guide, protect those fingers, and take it slow. And we have a very good looking julienne cut of onion. But if you want to dice it, kind of get them all together and go. Let the knife do the work. Go slow at first, as always. And right there, you see we have some very nice small dice that you can use in any application. I hope you enjoyed this video and some of the techniques. Please subscribe and like this video. It helps out a lot, guys. Thank you. See you next time.